Hello students, now I am going to start question number 5 of exercise 4.1. Now question number 5 says draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. So what we have to do, we will have to draw the figure. Here we have some cases and according to that we will have to draw the figure. Now see, in part A we have point P lies on AB. Now here one sign is given. So this is the symbol of line segment. We know that this is a symbol of line. This is a symbol of line segment. And this is the symbol of ray, isn't it? So here AB is a line segment. So what we have to do? We will have to draw the line segment AB. Suppose this is a line segment in which, suppose this is the starting point A and this is the finishing point B. So AB is a line segment. Now it is said that point P lies on AB. That means point P is anywhere on AB. It can be here also, here also, here also, here also. It can be anywhere on this line segment AB. So this was part A. Now coming to part B. Now in the next part we have X, Y and PQ intersect at point M. Now see here both side we have arrows, right? Both side arrows is there. So that means this is a line. So X, Y and PQ are line. So question is both line intersect means they cross each other at point M. Intersect means they meet or they cross. Okay. So here suppose this is line X and Y and suppose this is line PQ. So this XY and PQ meet at point M. So this M is called point of intersection. Okay, that means the line XY and PQ intersect at point M. Okay, now coming to C part. Now in the C part we have line L contains E and F but not D. So that means we will have to draw a line which is L which contains E and F. Contains means on that L, E and F point will be there but not D. D will be anywhere outside of the line. Suppose this is a line. Say this is L. Okay. Now it is said that this L contains E and F. So that means E and F can be anywhere on the line L but not D. So D can be anywhere outside of the line. So D can be here also, here also, here also. It can be anywhere outside of the line. So what we have observed that E and F lies on point L but not D. D is anywhere outside of the line L. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the last part we have OP and OQ meet at point O. Now this OP and OQ, these two are lines. So these are lines. Now we will have to draw in such a way that it meet at point O. So now if we draw the OP line vertically, suppose this is point O and this is point P. Okay. So we will have to draw the another line in such a way that it meets at point O. So the another line passes through point O. See, this is already, we have taken the point and another point we will have to take Q. So what we have observed that this OP and this OQ, these two lines meet at point O. Okay. So this was part number D. Thank you students.